guys, welcome back to the vlog, part 4. Still an echo because of everything cleared out. The front door of my house. Now, this here, during the lockdown, this is why I've been a bit reluctant to do the house tour. I'll stand back, Jeff. Now, leaving that aside, I have a guy come out and had a look at it. He's going to put a piece of glass or else I might get a new door. I'm still undecided. Don't mind Jay, that's baby Jay, don't mind him. Yeah guys, well, this is one of my favourite pieces about the house. I remember choosing it. It's a plaster mould. It's called an egg and dart. And it's kind of like the old school, and then you kind of get your, what you call your ceiling roses. So I like them. They were a feature that I chose as a plaster. I forget what it cost at the time, you know, but it's a nice feature. But as you can see, that's kind of down into my hall. This here is my sitting room, which you will see at another stage, yeah, right? As I said, I've bits to do everywhere, so this is why the house tour has been taking so long. So all going well when I have the video complete. And oh yeah, this is the colour I'm choosing for the hall. What's this it's called? Salinger. So there's a bit of it I have there now. Yeah, it's nice, it's rich, isn't it? It's rich. Not that I'm rich now, but yeah, it's a rich colour. Don't mind the brush marks in that. That's just an old brush I took out of the shed. I'll be rolling that. But yeah. So yeah, this is your downstairs, right? So as I explained to you before, that means you've seen the kitchen. Bathroom will be completed for the finish of this video. Right, so yeah, I'm going to hold on to the floors, just as I said, clean up all the woodwork and give it a wipe down with a cloth with a bit of turpentine or some sort of thinners or something just to clean it up. I'm going to paint my ceiling next, yeah, before the stream. So yeah, so that leads into my sitting room. That's the games room down there, or your dining room, yeah, kitchen you've seen. I'll bring you on upstairs, right, so just giving you the house tour anyway, guys. I've a lot of cleaning up to do, and I'm getting through it, that's the main thing. I never would have done this, I would have done it at some stage, but the blog is pushing me on, right? There's the bit of patch plastering work I done the last day, Jeff. See it there, guys? Run the walk down, Jeff, because people can't really see unless you bring the camera up close for them. So yeah, that's just drying out nicely, so I'll have to get a couple of coats on that. So back up here, Jeff. So yeah, a lot of gates in my house. 5 kids. You need them. So yeah, up the stairs. This is probably, I like this. This is probably one of my favourite pieces about coming up into the house, walking upstairs. You know, I like this view. When you come up here, Jeff, if you just stand in this corner, this is kind of, or even over here where you can get a view of all the doors, like. So yeah, this is your box bedroom. Right, that's your box bedroom there. Just go that way, Jeff. Yeah. That's your master bedroom. Then this is like a little cubby hole where you have your. I'll show you all the bedrooms at a later stage, but as I said, this is probably one of the favourite parts of the house, you know. I like just coming up here, looking into the hall. It's nice, obviously it's open and that. This is your bathroom. So we have the 2 bedrooms. This is a double room. I see more damage on Jeff. There's a bit of a story following Jeff now about things getting broken, but maybe Jeff didn't do that. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I've loads of work to be doing. Carpets. I'm probably going to change the carpets throughout the whole lot of the house upstairs, realistically. All going well. See what the budget is like. So now, as I continued on with today, guys, I got up today at 2 o'clock in the day. I know, yeah. So it's very hard to get anything done, but I'm tipping along with it. So I had the guy out today at 2:15 for my new carpets. So guys, oh yeah, this is the official house tour. This is Jeff's room, as you already seen. That's where Jeff sleeps in there. That's where he comes up with all his little plans to wreck the house, right? And you can see the little cot there. That's my little toddler. That's Rex. And over here is the little princess. That's her little room over here. Right? So yeah, so the plan is to get rid of all these carpets, guys, because they need to be changed. Oh yeah, footprints in the snow, or footprints. Those are the footprints. So it's very hard to get anything done, right? Especially with the kids. So Elaine brings the kids to school in the morning at 9 o'clock, like so, and then there's one back at 12, and it's very hard to get anything done with the kids coming in and out. So yeah, no, I'll just give you a look. We were thinking of maybe that we might be able to keep the floorboards that's underneath this. I have me skip outside. I remember actually doing that. So, management, you're not going to be able to keep them floorboards, as I already explained. They're the cheapest of the cheapest. Right? So, all these carpets are going into the skip. So your man, yeah, obviously we'll have new carpets in the next 3 to 4 days. So it'll make it a lot easier for me to decorate. Oh, the other two bios. Oh, that's our upstairs bathroom then as well. So we have our shower and your toilet and your hand basin. It's just your average. Now I'm not going to do anything. I've one cracked tile over there. I think I have a spare one downstairs somewhere from when we were doing it. Yeah. Oh yeah, the two bios. Yeah, George and Tim. So yeah, so this is their little room again. These carpets all have to go, the whole room. There, they pull the curtains down. Do you know, these are the things that kids do, isn't it? Yeah, so that's it, yeah. It's nice to get cracking on it, you know? Yeah, so there you go, them floors management. So we're going to put a carpet down here. And I think because of the way them carpets are and the way these kids are, it's this slime stuff, man. Slime. Anyway, they enjoy it, don't they? They love it. Wrecked carpets. So wooden floor in there, there. Right, management. Oh yeah, these gates are to keep them in their cages, yeah? Yeah? Right, management, that is going to have to go because, and as I said, oh, the thoughts are alright. Yeah, not easy. Right, I won't continue on that. Oh yeah. You see, you'll have plenty of room in your skip management. Right, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, subscribe. 1,500 subscribers. Nearly fell over there. I wouldn't be one of my vlogs if it didn't nearly fall over, isn't that right? You know what I mean? What else we're going to say that's interesting? We don't have any colours chose for the chose did for the rooms? No. Right, what else am I? Yeah, so all these carpets. Oh yeah, you're not seeing the master bedroom yet because I was gonna say something funny. But I won't. That'll be for another day. Yeah, I have that's the master bedroom with an ensuite toilet, so that's my domain. And this here is that's where all your plumbing are and your hot press. Is what we called it over here. What did they call them in England? I forget now. They don't call them a hot press. That's a hot press we call it. And obviously that's your tank with your hot water, which I showed you the boiler. So that's where it all comes up in here. And it's handy to have your towels and stuff there. It keeps them all nice and crisp and dry. Yeah. Again, that's your attic up there. So we have a hip roof. You haven't much of an attic. We've no room for an attic conversion anyway. I know that. So anyone that knows construction, I'll give you a look at the front of the house at some stage. And the which? The Climate. Oh, this. Oh yeah, this is our Climate. Yeah, she wants to. Management controls all the heat off her phone. So she can make me cold down in the games room if she wants. So yeah, she's very proud of this Climate. What's this to do? Just, they're basically, all your heating and your water is done off this. She's proud of this. She's a tech head. That there to me is just a nuisance. There used to be a button here and it used to have sink. And it used to have bath on it, and you just flick one or the other. It was a lot easier for me. But I'm getting the hang of it now. Yeah, I flick there, I can put the water on. There's the time, right? The water is 34 degrees. It's handy, I suppose, for the likes of her, you know. She's 20 degrees in the bedrooms and 18 degrees down in the living room. Well, she's nice for tech, yeah. Now that'll have to go, management, wherever. Now you see, as I said, this is a rented property, so the dust. Pull it down? No, I can't take it down, management. The dust that will come out won't be good for YouTube, trust me. I can see the dust sitting on top of it. They're not great then, the paper, so you can't clean them, management. So we'll have to, there's more, you see, it's only when you start digging, you start going, right, do that, and then, so now you've 3-4 shades to get that one there. Is like something out of the 1940s. Who gave you that? Your great grandmother, did she, management? No, I'm only messing, right? Kids are down there. Yeah, no, thanks for tuning into the vlog. There you go. I'll give you a look at where all the action happens eventually. Someday. No, I will. When I get all the front sorted out. Yeah, look, I've loads to be doing. Bathroom downstairs nearly finished. Thanks for tuning into the vlog. Hit the like, hit the notification. Tell me whatever you want to tell me. Yeah, them floors. I would have loved to be, if that's only a cheap bill, I would have loved to be able to, if it was proper timber. Oh yeah, and the way I was going to get into the way the construction of the house, but Leah, one of the lads I work with, he put down this floor. So yeah, it'd be probably best to get him. I know roughly what way it works. basically you have joists that run that way and seam management. Then these two, so you have joists going here. See these nail holes, right? Them big timber beams run onto the outside blocks of the houses. These floorboards then, they get nailed down on top, across, yeah? That's the way it works, and then that's your floor there, like so. Any other questions, drop them down in the comments and that. Yeah, we're going with that colour up here. Obviously, yeah, there's the kids down there. That's Rose and Rex. Right guys, thanks a million. Subscribe, like, hit the notifications.